how you can turn off your professional account on Instagram. Now, before we start, if you're new to our channel, just go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. First, I'll just open up your Instagram. Now you can know that your Instagram is on professional mode by just seeing this professional dashboard on your profile. Now, to change this, what you're going to do is go to settings. Now for that, tap on the top right corner and you'll go to settings and activity. Now just scroll down till you find for professional section right here and just tap on creator tools and controls. After you go on creator tools and control, if you scroll down a bit, you will see a switch account type option. Just tap on switch account type. There you'll be able to switch it to personal account. Just tap on switch to personal account and just confirm it again and wait for a bit till your account just does its thing. And there you have it, the professional dashboard is gone and now your account is back to being a personal account. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you turn your professional account back to your personal account in your Instagram. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.